Good day, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's the Black Mask, and you already know the vibes. So, guys, as you saw from the first clip of the video, the results of yesterday's setup on US30. So, guys, let me clearly show you what really happened. As I said yesterday, guys, remember when I was showing you, I was telling you if we have it, if we will have a breakout candlestick right there, I'm gonna jump in with the buy. So that's what really happened yesterday. We had a breakout candlestick right over here, and then as soon as I saw this breakout candlestick, I waited for the candle to close, and as soon as it closed, I went in with my buying opportunities, and my stop loss was set there. And as you all can see, we hit our take profit just like that, guys. And I hope you learned, and I hope you'll be glad that we hit take profit. And not always gonna be hitting take profit, we're gonna be prone to losses as well. So, guys, without wasting further of your time, like I said, I'm going to show you today's analysis on US30 and on gold. So, guys, let me just start, get it away with US30. So let me remove everything. And remember, guys, like I said from the previous video, we start our analysis on 1 month time frame. 1 month time frame. So, guys, yeah, like I said yesterday, guys, 1 month we're gonna do it to see all those trend lines, all the trend lines from a monthly time frame. We can see now we are somehow respecting the third touch rule, guys. We are respecting the third touch rule over here. As you can see here, we had our first touch, second touch. Now we are on our third touch. So we can see from a monthly time frame, we are having our third touch. Well, we have not yet broken the monthly trend line, right? We're still above it. We have to break it for us to be sure that we are going to have a strong movement to the downside. Yes, we're gonna have selling opportunities, but now they are not more, but there will be, don't get me wrong, there will be selling opportunities, but we are looking more for buying opportunities because we are on a third touch of a trend line. And you can see we are having a very bullish candlestick on a monthly time frame. So, guys, let me jump to the weekly time frame, and let's see what is really happening. Guys, like I said, I'm not trying to predict what's gonna happen next. Rather, I follow what the market does. When I get to the lowest time frame and I understand clearly what is really happening, I follow the direction of the market. I follow it. I go where the market goes, so that I cannot be caught up in the system, whatever you may call it. And so, guys, like I said yesterday, we have our lowest low, and then we're gonna have our highest high. So we're gonna be looking at places where when price touches, the price reverses. These are what we call the zones. The zones are places or areas where price touches, the price reverses. So let's allocate our zones over there. We can see the price came here, it rejected. Price came here, it went to the upside. It came back and went to the upside also. So let's just do those zones over there. I'm on a weekly time frame, by the way, if you didn't hear me very well. So as you can see there, we are having our zones. And remember, guys, like I said, also I'm gonna always keep on reminding you to go and check on Nasdaq Ninja's YouTube channel. Remember, if I don't make it clear for you, go to Nasdaq Ninja's videos. And I would like to advise you very much to go and watch that guy's YouTube videos. He's very helpful, guys. He's very helpful. His way of trading makes things easier, and I think it will be so much easier to also learn from him as much as you are learning from me, guys. But if you feel like I'm explaining everything for you easily and I'm making things so much simpler for you, you are still also welcome to watch all my videos here, guys. But I would like to advise you to go and watch Nasdaq Ninja's videos as well to get a better explanation of what is it that I'm doing over here. So, guys, as you all can see, I've just allocated all my zones where when price touches, the price reverses. You see, I'm allocating all my zones so that I can know for, okay, this is a strong zone from a weekly time frame. This is where price got rejected the last time, so I know, like, price is most likely to react on that zone. So I wouldn't be surprised if I see something happening, because I know this is a zone, this is a strong zone from a weekly time frame. And then the last part you can do is your last zone has to be where your price is right now. So let's just put your zone where your price is, and go backwards and check and verify what is it that was happening at around that zone where your price is currently right now. As you can see right now, we are here, and you can see that we had that rejection over there, we had that rejection over here. The price always had a problem when it came to this zone, which means it's telling me that this is a very strong zone and we are below it, meaning there could be more of selling opportunities right now, right? And remember, don't forget that by the third touch rule, I think we are also going experiencing the third touch rule over here. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this, bro. Look at this. I think we are experiencing the third touch rule. First touch, second touch, third touch. You know the third touch, by the rules of the third touch, you say on the third touch we are gonna respect the trend line. So guys, without wasting further of your time, let me go and jump on the daily. Guys, me Nasdaq Ninja taught me very well, guys. Nasdaq Ninja is the gold, bro. Nasdaq Ninja is the gold. Guys, sorry about that. So I'm so sorry about that. Something happened. I don't know what happened, but I'm good now. As I was saying, guys, as I was saying that I'm gonna give Nasdaq Ninja his flowers as much as he can, as much as I can, as long as he's alive, because that guy is goated. That guy is goated. As you can see, guys, like I said, from that month weekly time frame, we are on our third touch. We have our first touch, second touch, and we are just approaching our third touch. We are not yet there, but you are going there. First touch, second touch, third touch. Maybe you're going to come here. Maybe we're gonna get something like this and then go to the downside, or maybe we're gonna get a breakout, retest, and then go to the downside. However, we don't predict the market, we don't know what's gonna happen, but what is it that we're gonna do is gonna capitalize on every movement that the market does. So guys, let me jump straight to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, oh man. Okay, from a 4-hour time frame, just making sure your trend lines are drawn perfectly. So okay, we just came broke. I think now we are retesting this zone right here. I'm thinking maybe we're gonna pull to the downside, and I'm thinking maybe this is a possible head and shoulders. I don't know, head, shoulder, head. I'm gonna create the right shoulder and then go to the downside. I mean, I bow shoulders and not. I don't quite use them as much. I use them, but not quite as much, not as much as quite, not much as quite, not quite as much. Hi guys, English guys, English is giving me problems. By the way, guys, let me go to the 15-minute time frame so I can see clearly what is it that is going on, what is it that we can anticipate from this zone. Okay guys, we saw yesterday we ate on that with that buy over there. So what is it that we are expecting today? For the mere fact that we haven't touched them, but it's possible that we might go to the downside without touching that that third trend line. You see, we can still go to the downside, but what is it? Let me see clearly. I think maybe we haven't impulsed as yet as much as I would wish the market to impulse to the downside. Yes, I know, I can see we are having this impulse to the downside, and when we are retesting this zone, it has an impulse and is doing what I want exactly, which is a correction. We are having something like this here, and you can see it's breaking. So as it's doing this, I'm not quite sure. So guys, not to be caught up in the system and not to find myself sorry, I'm gonna wait for this correction here to impulse to the downside and give me that a clear correction, and then I can then jump in without selling opportunities. But for now, I'm not seeing any buying opportunities. Maybe the price might come here to actually touch that trend line there, and then that's then we're gonna see the price moving downward in an aggressive momentum. So as that being said, guys, that's what I think, and that's how I see US30 for today. So we're gonna see, and we're gonna wait and see what really happens. So guys, without wasting further of your time, let's jump into gold, guys. Let's jump into gold. Okay, guys, we start on a monthly time frame to analyze and to get a clear view of what is really happening with our market. So we can see we are having this over here. On the monthly time frame, we are having this. So guys, I'm gonna make sure to put in the Nasdaq Ninja's YouTube channel link to his YouTube channel. So make sure to check my comments, the description below, and you will find Nasdaq Ninja's YouTube channel's link. So you can click right through that link, that link, and it will direct you to his YouTube channel. And you'll be amazed. You're gonna learn a lot, guys. I'm telling you, I know what I'm talking about. I know what I'm talking. If you're in love with how I trade right now, I definitely tell you, you're gonna be in love with how Nasdaq Ninja is doing and how he's analyzing the market. As you can see, guys, we are having first touch, second touch. Maybe we're gonna move to get that third touch and go to the upside. But in the meantime, you don't know what's gonna really happen. So let's jump into the weekly time frame and start allocating our zones, right? So we're gonna choose our highest point and our lowest point. As you can see, our lowest point is gonna be that part there, and then I'm gonna choose this one as our highest high. So guys, now we're gonna allocate our zones. Remember, is a place where price touch, the price reverses. A zone is a place where the price touches, the price reverses. So guys, I'm gonna be allocating those zones right now, checking where price came, price reversed. As you can see, the price came here, it went to the upside, and price had quite a problem crossing over there, as it was giving us those buying opportunities over there. As you can see over here, price came here and price reversed. As you can see there, these are what the zones, guys, the zones. These are very helpful, and these are very powerful, guys. These things are very powerful, trust me. You want to know how they work and practice how they work. So guys, here you can see the price was kinda okay, you can see price rejected here, it rejected there, price rejected there. So it's telling me that is a very strong zone. You can see over there also, you can see price rejected over there. Okay, I am not the one thing about me, I pretty much allocate also these small ones, like these small ones. They are the ones that tend to be unique or kind of very helpful to me, because when you go to the smallest time frames, that's where they're gonna be in of your advantage. They're gonna be very helpful to you. They're gonna come in your help, or they're gonna help you to spot on which is the next zone, which next zone is most likely to cause the price to change direction, or to have some reaction. You see, those smallest ones, I pretty much like to cater for them also. I don't leave them behind. I cater for them, and because I know they will come in handy for me. So guys, as I've been said, we can see now we just created our trend line. We have a first touch, second touch there. We have a first touch, second touch there. I don't know when we're gonna I don't know when are we going to come and create the third touch to go to a downside. But now, as you can see, the candlestick on our weekly is very bearish. You can see that we are having a very bearish week. So let's jump into the daily time frame. This is gold, guys. This is gold. So guys, on the daily time frame, as you can see, our zones are there, very much alive, very much nice. Let me just allocate these ones. For these ones, I can see the price had a problem causing there also. So guys, let me jump into the 60-minute time frame. Okay, let me show you something on a 4-hour time frame, guys. On a 4-hour time frame, we had this strong pull to the upside, you can see. So now we are having our movement, we are going to the downside. Understand the current movement of the price. As you can see, we came from there, we are impulsing to the downside. And as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, we had our third touch. Our first touch is up there, and then we are having our second touch, and then our third touch, we came back, and then we are impulsing to the downside. So on gold, I'm looking for more selling opportunities. I'm more on selling opportunities right now, because I can see we had an impulse correction. We are having a little bit of a correction right now, and then I'm anticipating selling opportunities on gold, guys. Let me jump in straight to the 15-minute time frame, and let me see what is really happening. So guys, how I trade, this is how I pretty much trade, guys. You see now, we had this impulse to the downside, and we had this correction over here. We had this correction over here, not a nice one though, but they don't come in nice forms and all that. So at my breakout candlestick, I enter in with a sell. As you can see, we had our breakout candlestick there. Then our take profit gonna be at the next stop, or at the next zone. Then my stop loss just above there, and then we eat. And also here we can see we had that small impulse correction. After that impulse, also eat of that. Say maybe you didn't enter here, we are not too sure, but let's see, look at this. At the break of a candlestick here, you enter in with a sell opportunities, and you place your stop loss very well there, above there, and then you take profit. We can see that we had our correction there, and then we went to the downside. So now you see it's an impulse correction. Look at this impulse correction over here, guys, and it keeps repeating itself. You just have to get yourself familiar with it, get yourself used to it, and know when it forms and when, you know, all those type of things, you see. So now I think we are already it has already left us on gold. But you know, there are more opportunities on gold, guys. I'm thinking maybe just wait for this impulse, and then do a little bit of a correction. Then we are going to the to the downside. By the way, we are going to the downside. So guys, you're gonna have to wait and see this gold movement to impulse to the downside, as this is already impulsing to the downside, and get a little bit of a correction. And then at the breakout of that correction, you're gonna look for more selling opportunities. So guys, I'm gonna wait and see how these setups play out, and as soon if they give me an opportunity to enter, and I'm gonna enter, and then I'm gonna document, and I'm gonna record all the processes before and after, you know, so you can see that I'm true with what I'm saying, and I'm showing you every possible trade that I take. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is the very end of the video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, and make sure to share the video with everyone that you know, and let's grow this channel to up highs, guys. Let's grow all together. So guys, thank you for watching once again, and this is the Black Mask. Until we meet again on the other video, peace out.